Mic check 1 2. Good morning, everybody. Looks like my mics are working fine today. Yes, they are. So let's before we get this video started, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, guys. I'm gonna wait for this chat room to load. In the meantime, Tilray did have some good news today. They were up 5% at one point in the pre-market. Now Tilray is only up 1.4%. The reason why Tilray was up 5% in the pre-market was because Portugal cannabis harvest. We'll get into that in a bit. Let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis is currently down 10 cents in the pre-market. Aurora Cannabis is down 1.23% in the pre-market. So we're going to keep an eye on Aurora Cannabis. Right now in the pre-market, they seem to be in the red. So let's see how the chat room is doing. Oh, a lot of you guys are up early. Gee, it's taking a beating. Good morning, Legend. Good morning, Jackie. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Aaron. IG. JG, good morning. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, everyone. Adawale, good morning. Once again, good morning, Legend. Hopefully you behave today, my friend. Jerry Castellano, good morning, Hustler. Is it too late to buy ACB at these prices? Honestly, I personally don't like chasing a stock after it's made a nice run. Right now they are in the red in the pre-market, but who knows? Aurora can continue to push forward. They have a new price target at $14, and I think that's $14 American. So who really knows? Good morning, Mike. Wow, don't time me out. I didn't time you out, bro. Legend. As long as you behave. Good morning, Tony. Okay, let's see what's up. Four Seasons, level 2 for Namaste. Crazy. All right, let's do that. Let's check out Namaste. Also, I want to check out GE. Apparently they're getting beat up right now, so let's see how General Electric's doing this morning. They were down 7% yesterday. Apparently no pre-market on GE, at least not on this website. Down 6.98% right now. So yeah, it does seem to, they did get beat up yesterday, that's for sure. They went all the way down from 10.40 all the way down to $9.60. Oops. Okay, let's take a look at what you guys are. $14 would be awesome. Yeah, $14 would be awesome, but that's their price target for the end of the year. 11 US. Whoever listened to me last week caught that wave. Caught which wave? Aurora will start to slow down and go back up. She will go down 20 cents, go back up $16. That's a nice prediction. Who knows? Maybe you are right. Good morning from Germany. I hope so, Yvonne. Okay. Let's take a look at Namaste. I want to see how you wanted me to look at. I forget what you wanted to look at Namaste, but let's take a look at Namaste. Namaste got beat up yesterday. They went all the way down. Even in the video that I made yesterday, I talked about how they hit a nice resistance line at 90 cents Canadian. So it's going to be interesting how Namaste does today. I'm expecting Namaste to have a good day today. Hopefully. Because right now they're at 66 cents. Even in the pre-market, they're down even more. In the pre-market, Namaste is down 12%. So it looks like Namaste is going to have another red day today. Namaste is getting beat up. Namaste is currently sitting at 58 cents, 58.49 cents in the pre-market. Currently, Namaste is a sell and a strong sell. It's not looking good for Namaste stock. Let's see any information on them. They are okay. So price to revenue 14.5, price to sales 14.5, total assets 53 million, and their market cap is 203 million. So yeah, it's not looking good for Namaste, but I think this might be creating a very good buying opportunity for Namaste. Good morning, Thailand. Can we block Legend right off the bat today? Good morning, Hustler. Legend, if you start spamming today, people don't like that. You can't just come in their chat room and just be like, sub to me, sub to me, sub to me. People won't sub to you like that. I fell will get rich. I feel I will get rich. Okay, so if you, as long as you're behaving, I won't block you. But if you start spamming too much, people aren't gonna be happy with that. It's not my decision. Sorry, guys. I mean, sorry, Legend. If Namaste goes to 0, I will personally beat up SD. I hope Namaste doesn't go to 0, because I actually own quite a big position with Namaste. But I think it's gonna create a good buying opportunity. It's gonna be kind of like Afria. Good morning, Mohammed. Where that when they got beat up, they went all the way down to 4 and then slowly recovered. Obviously, Namaste is not as big as a company as Afria, but it's gonna be interesting to see. Let's see how T God is doing today. The green organic Dutchman. Let's see T God. But yeah, so far things are not looking good for Namaste this morning. That really sucks. T-God had a good day yesterday, up 6% yesterday. Currently no pre-market for T-God. I don't know how Namaste has a pre-market, but T-God doesn't. T-God's been on a nice run lately. It would be nice to see T-God back to these highs right here. See them back at $6, $7. They've already hit that mark twice in the past year, so hopefully T-God makes a nice run, goes back up there. Right now T-God is a buy and a strong buy. The 1 minute is a buy, a strong buy, and a strong buy. So T-God's looking good under technical analysis. Price to book is at 10.9. How much assets do they have? $270 million in assets versus $894 million in market cap. Honestly, I like T-God. I hope they continue to make a nice run. Especially, it would be nice to see them at above $6 Canadian, above $5 American. That I would really like to see T-God get up in price. Okay, let's see what you guys are saying in your last video. I invested a lot. Thanks, Legend. I sure hope Tesla does. They're up in the pre-market. You like your risky plays, hustler? Check out XX11. So I guess that's 22. I'll check them out. AV1 Group doing well, up 300%. Are they up 300% in the pre-market? Last time I checked, Neo stock got beat up. Let's just see. Let's see XXII. It's 22nd Century Group. Definitely didn't have them on my watch list before. Oh wow, this company got beat up. Let's look at the 5-minute charts. By the way, I had the puppies kept waking me up last night, so I'm super tired this morning. They were whining all night. So yeah, let's see. They're down to 225. So yeah, this company went down. Oh no, how did it go down? Oh no, it went up 10% yesterday, but that's obviously because it got beat up in the past in the past week. This company's gotten beat up, so I won't be surprised to see this company make a nice run. They are near the bottom of the 52-week range. Technical analysis looks like a sell, a strong sell, and a neutral. Even the 1 minute, it's a buy, sell, sell. Let's see. On paper, they look pretty good. 8.4 price to revenue, price to sales 12.8. Total assets 84 million. Market cap 213 million. Let's see how they look in the past 1 year. They've done fairly good in the past year. Just this is like the first time they've had such a downfall. Yeah, so do you guys know why this company got beat up in the past week? Is there some news? Let's read the headlines. Investors are looming deadline in class. Oh, so I guess there's a class action lawsuit against this company, and that's the reason why this company got beat up. And so yeah, there's a class action lawsuit against this company. I'm just looking at this company right now, so that explains why this company went down so much in the past week. So yeah, that's I would have to do more research into that, but it definitely looks like a company that's slowly recovering. It might go back up to those numbers. It might be a good buying opportunity. That's XXII. It's 22nd Century Group. They're an environmental service and equipment company. So yeah, oh yeah, forget. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let's see how many thumbs up I got. Let's try to set a goal here. Just give me 1 second, guys. It's nice to see everyone here this morning. Everyone's up this morning. So right now I'm currently at 20 thumbs up. Come on, let's get me to 50, guys. There's 84 people in the chat room. Let's get me to 50 thumbs up and sub to 10,000k. Okay. My dog says my boy DG stays winning. Interesting US hemp play. Hey man, what do you think of Carvana Co? I will cry. Don't say I'm a oh my god. Legend Robloxian, man. Don't cry. You buy Namaste the open. I don't know. Namaste is getting beat up pretty bad. That's actually a good company to keep an eye out on because they're down big in the pre-market. Right now, Namaste is currently down. Let's see how bad they're doing. 12% in the pre-market. So currently sitting at 58 cents in the pre-market American. So it's not looking very good for Namaste. Let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis real quick at the in the pre-market. Aurora Cannabis is down 5 cents. Not bad. They were down 1%. Now they're only down 0.6% in the pre-market. Tilray is currently, what happened to their pre-market? I don't see no pre-market for Tilray. Huh. No pre-market for Tilray. I don't know what happened. But yeah, okay, let's take a look at some of your requests. Okay. Wow. SHMP gonna be green today. Don't worry, you'll catch a nice win. They reduce levels in tobacco and cannabis plants. Too cold to work. Let's see. Okay, Carvana.co. Let's take a look at CVNA. I'll start doing some requests now. If you guys have requests, just type it out. If I miss your request, don't be shy to type it out again. So Carvana Co. This company went up 14% today. I mean yesterday. Currently down 1.1% in the pre-market, down 5 cents. Nothing too major. This is an auto vehicles parts and service retailer. Currently right in the middle of their 52-week range. Technical analysis, it's a buy, a neutral, a buy, and a strong buy, so it's not bad. But the 1 minute is a sell and a strong sell. Market cap is 6.98 billion. Shares outstanding 149 billion. On paper, this company looks pretty decent. Price to revenue 3.5, price to sales 3.5, but the price to book is 95. Total assets 991 million, 6.9 billion market cap. On paper, it doesn't look that bad. It's right in the middle of its 52-week range. So this company has just as much room for upside versus downside. Price to revenue, price to sales is good. Price to book is a little high, very high actually. This is like it's a coin toss. It's literally right in the middle. So this could go either way right now. At this point, it's a coin toss. I would say you have just as much chance of it going up versus down. So yeah, DG, I've been bag holding. Is DG the company you've been bag holding, or are you talking to someone named DG? Oh, hello, nice to see you here, Neurosis. I'm in on the blueberries, BBRFF. Thank you, Legend Robloxian. Yes, sub to me, guys. Morning Hustler, both is crazy stock. Looks like it will have a crazy day today. AXXA held yesterday, hoping green today. Kieran, huh? I have a good feeling Kieran's gonna make a nice run today. Especially, I think they had a nice run yesterday. Hopefully, it's a beginning of green days to come for Kieran. Let's see, it has room to 607. You guys are typing very fast. So I'm thinking PNTV. Let's look at PNTV. PNTV. Players Network. Penny stock went up 8.78% yesterday. Definitely near the bottom half of its 52-week range. If you look at these charts, this company's been downtrending. Trending. So yeah, in the past, over the past year, this company has been downtrending. It had a huge spike all the way up to 23 cents, and now it's at 2 cents. So it's lost almost I think 1,000% in the past year, if that's correct. I'm doing that off the top of my head. Technical analysis, it's a sell, and a strong sell. The 1 minute, it's a buy, strong buy, and a strong buy. The one thing I will say is this company does look like it's hit a bottom, and it might be ready to bounce back up. But this company has been downtrending for the past year and a half, so it's a very risky play, especially if you don't know why this company's been beat up. On top of that, it is a penny stock, so it's super volatile, super risky. Market cap's 19 billion, shares outstanding 662 million. So a lot of share dilution going on. And its price to revenue, price to sales don't look that great. Price to revenue is a 72, price to sales 220. So this company's a little overvalued. Total assets 2.12 million. This is a very risky play, and I'll leave it at that. It's super risky, but it does look like it's hit a bottom. 122 people, guys. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let's see how many likes I have. 51. Let's try to get to 75 thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. So LBuy, let's take a look at LBuy. Well, first I want to see how Aurora Cannabis is doing right now in the pre-market, if the screen will load. So Aurora Cannabis seems to be doing not bad, down 5 cents in the pre-market. They had a very nice day today, so I won't be surprised to see them start off the day red. Hopefully they finish the day green though. Tilray is up $1.11 in the pre-market. There was some good news on Tilray today, which is why they're green in the pre-market. Let's take a look at PNTV. I think that was the next request. Players Network. This is a broadcasting company. Actually, no. Didn't I just look at this? I think I'm okay. DG. More likes all. Just had 12 puppies. Where's the pups? Wow, you had 12 puppies. What breed are your puppies? The puppies are in the playroom. In the morning now, when I can't sleep, I just put them in the playroom because they just whine at 5 a.m. wanting to get out of their little sleeping basket. So I just put them in their little playroom, and so I could get some sleep. That's why I'm a little tired today. IMGM, that is that good. I held for review. You know what? Let's take a look at KO. KO. And don't forget, guys, there's a join button right there. If you guys want to join my group, you guys get how do you call it, seniority. You guys get first pick of anything that you want. Right here we have a couple of our members here today, one of them being Mohammed. And when you guys have a pick, have anything, your choice will always come first if you're a member. So we'll take a look at Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is currently up 2 cents in the pre-market. Honestly, I like Coca-Cola, especially after they got beat up. This is a company that's been around for so long. And we'll look at them on paper. They're currently up only 2 cents in the pre-market. They're near the bottom half of their 52-week range. So there's potentially more room for upside versus downside. They do have a decent dividend yield of 3.5%. That's more than what a bank will give you. Price to earnings ratio is a 29.27. So this is a profitable company. Price to revenue is a 6.1. Price to sales is a 6.1. So they have $83 billion in assets, a market cap of $194 billion. This company looks very good on paper, especially since it has a huge gap down here. Most likely, and I talk about gaps all the time, what happens is this gap's going to get filled up. So Coke right now is looking I'd say it's less risk versus the other companies we've talked about today. So Coca-Cola is looking good. Where's the big money at? Hey there, DG. DG stocks. I want to take a look at you. Everyone keeps talking to DG. I think you're a YouTuber, I'm guessing, especially with that name. I can't open your page. I don't want to exit this screen, but what's up, DG stocks? What about E-Trade? Is that a company you want to take a look at? E-Trade. Kiron is on the launch pad. Get it now. Yes, Neurosis is back at it again. Take care, legend. You have a good day. Goodbye, legend. What's up, brother? I've been here for a while. DG stocks. I don't know. Everyone keeps talking, so you're like a celebrity around here. Just kidding. Oh, good morning. Awake, all your nations. Awake is awake. I did say I was gonna make you moderator just in case. Oh man, these guys are typing fast. Gotta be quick here. So I have two moderators now. I have Neurosis and Awake All Your Nations as my moderators. DG Stocks, he showed you love, bro. Oh yeah, no, I'm pretty sure he heard me. Morning Hustler. I mean, Morning Mike. I'm super tired today. Let's take a look at Organogram. Organogram, OGR, and let's take a look at Organogram. So Organogram, let's see if there's a pre-market for them. Currently down 0.5% in the pre-market. Nothing to be too concerned about. They're almost down the exact amount that Aurora is currently down in the pre-market. And Aurora is down. Oh no, Aurora is actually slowly doing better in the pre-market. They started off the pre-market down 1%, and now they're down 0.25%. Organogram is currently down 0.5% in the pre-market. Technical analysis shows they're a sell, a buy, and a strong buy. 1 minute it's a buy, and a strong buy. Honestly, Organogram just keeps having a run, and I don't know when they're gonna correct themselves, because they've had a massive run. Who knows? But let's take a look how they look on paper. So Organogram is a profitable company. This is why people love Organogram. PE ratio of 24, price to revenue of 54, price to sales of 97. On paper, that's not really that great, but when you're comparing them to the rest of the sector, they are fairly valued, because especially when you look at it, like compare it to a company like Kron, compare it to a company like Tilray, Canopy. Those companies are way overvalued, but then again, those companies have a lot of money in the bank. Organogram's total assets 276 million, market cap 970 million. Not bad. But yeah, it's honestly, on paper it does look a little overvalued, especially the fact that it's definitely near the top of its 52-week range, or right at the top of its 52-week range. So it's very risky chasing this stock at this point. If you want to chase this stock, that's your decision. I would say make sure if you start a position, be prepared to average down. Obviously I like Organogram, but I wouldn't be buying at these prices. But Organogram is definitely one of my top companies, and I will be keeping an eye on them, and I'm hoping for some bad news so they can get a nice correction and I could start a position. I used to own Organogram at $5 Canadian, and then I got rid of my position too soon, and boy am I regretting it. So yeah, let's move on to the next company. I'm not going and that's good to see you back on Roblox. What do you think? Okay, so both good swings. Isn't PNPL Pineapple PNPL with Namaste? Is PNPL? Let's look at PNPL. Oh, 134 people in my chat room. Nice to see a lot of people here. Let's see how many likes I have. 70 likes. Come on, guys. Let's get this to 100 likes. Leave me a quick likes. Give me a little thumbs up, guys. It helps me out so much. I'm begging for thumbs. So Pineapple Express. Let's take a look at Pineapple Express. So this is a penny stock. So expect volatility. Let's look at them in the past year. Whoa, these charts are funny. I hate looking at charts like that. Penny stocks always have the weirdest charts. So this company has seen highs. No way. This company has seen a high of $28 at one point. That was back in 2016. I don't know if that's because the Pineapple Express movie. And now it's a penny stock. So this company has been beat up in the past 2 years. So this company went all the way down from, no, not even 26, from being a $42 company to now being a 45-cent company. So that alone makes it a little risky. But at the same time, you could see a lot of potential for upside since it's a penny stock now. When I look at the financials, it's blank. No assets, no price to revenue, no price to sales. So I can't really say much about this company. But looking at these charts, it's a little scary. It's like catching a falling knife, but it's a big risk. And you know what they say, big risk, big reward. So It's definitely super volatile. Has a lot of swings. I've seen it so far go up all the way down from being a penny stock to $1.50. So this company does have huge swings. So it has, you have potential to double your money here very quick. Especially these charts are very out of whack. Yeah, right now it's 45 cents, and at any given point it could jump over $1. So yeah, this super volatile company, super risky. It looks like a company that's been beat up, so it's tough. Even yesterday it went up 12.5%. So yeah, I say this is a very high risk company. So yeah, have a good name. Pineapple's such a good name, destined for greatness. Yeah, they do have a very good name, which might have been the main reason why they're doing so great. So yeah, 82 thumbs up, guys. 18 more thumbs up. Help me out here with, let's try to get to 100. 139 people in my pre-market. Nice to see everyone's up in the morning. Yes, DG stock loves the risks. I will dig into it. DG. MJ Deliveries. What company? I want to take a look at it too. That was a 2K stock. Are you talking about Pineapple Express was a 2K stock? Okay, let's take a look at LBuy. Actually, I want to see Aurora real quick, see how they're doing. Aurora seems to be down 0.25%, so they're slowly improving in the pre-market. But that was at 9:15 a.m. So let's see how. Let's just update Aurora real quick. I want to see how Tilray is doing as well. You know what? Let's take a look at what company. I just forgot what company you guys. LBuy. Let's take a look at LBuy real quick. So Leaf Buyer Technologies. It's an American company. They went up 5.95% yesterday. They seem to be in the top half of their 52-week range, so there's a little more room, more risk for downside versus upside. Just a little, not too much, but technical analysis is a sell, buy, and a strong buy in the 1 day. The 1 minute it's a buy, and a neutral. Let's look at their financials. Market cap of 70 million. Shares outstanding 46 million. Price to revenues of 49. Price to sales is 62. It's not the greatest. Total assets, that doesn't look too great. They only have 3.85 in total assets, and their market cap is 70 million. So this company does seem to look a little overvalued, but when you compare it to other companies, it's definitely not that overvalued, especially like companies that are in the hundreds in the price to revenue. But this is a penny stock, so there's a lot of I would say there's a lot more risk. Oh no, it's not a penny stock. It's at $1.51. But from what I see on this paper, on this company on paper, it doesn't look that great, and there's more room for downside. Technical analysis says it's a buy. Another high risk one. When I see a company I like, I'll let you guys know for sure. Oh, Cyberworld's here. Everyone's here today. Namaste going down. Yeah, we saw Namaste in the pre-market. Namaste is getting beat up in the pre-market. It might be a who knows? It might be a good time to start a position for me, but I don't know. It's kind of scary right now. Also, what do you think of Lotus Ventures? I think I just spoke about. No, okay. Let's take a look at Lotus Ventures. That was Leaf Buyer. Let's see Lotus Ventures. Lotus Ventures. Let's take a look at their American ticker symbol. Penny stock. So penny stocks always a little risky. This is a fairly new IPO. They IPO'd like I think a couple months ago. No, they IPO'd. When was this? September 11th. So market cap 18 million, shares outstanding 72 million, small cap stock. Price to book is a 2.5. Total assets is 11 million, and their market cap's 18 million. It's very early in this company to really know much about it, but it doesn't seem to be overvalued. There's not enough information on it. There's no price to sales. Obviously the company's not profitable yet, and it's a penny stock. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but this is a high risk, high reward company. It has a lot of potential. It doesn't seem to be overvalued. There's not a lot of share dilution. It is a small cap, so it's definitely very risky, but I think there's a lot of room for upside. I like that it has 11 million in assets and its market cap is 18 million. So It looks on paper, it doesn't look bad, but it's way too early to really know. This company's only been around for around, I don't even know, 6 months, 5 months. So yeah, it's not a bad company. So yeah, let's see how many likes we have right now. I know I'm begging for likes. Come on, let's get this to 100 likes, guys. We have 86. Madman sucks too. I was actually tempted to start a position in Madman yesterday, but I'm gonna see how they do today. I don't think there's a pre-market for Madman. Oh, by the way, there's 6 minutes till the market's open, guys. 6 minutes till the market's open. Hopefully we have a green day today. It's not looking that great in the pre-market. Madman, they didn't have such a bad day yesterday. They only went down 2.8%. Currently a strong sell in the technical analysis. A sell, strong sell, and a strong sell. And then in the 1 minute, it's a sell, strong sell, strong sell. So it's not looking good under technical analysis for Madman. But the more this stock gets beat up, the better it looks on paper. So right now, their price to book's 11, price to sales is 9.3. They have 374 million in total assets and 373 million market cap. So they have more assets than what their market cap is. So on paper, the more this company gets beat up, the more attractive it looks. So if this company continues to get beat up, I might just start I might start a position in them. I like a company that gets beat up that has this company look good on paper. It's not like this kind of reminds me of Afria when they got beat up. I kept buying because they just kept looking better on paper the more they got beat up. And then we've all seen Afria recover nicely. So this company went all the way down from on February being all the way up at $3.81 American, and now they're at $2.88. So that's about that's $1 for upside. So we're gonna see how this company plays out. It's obviously it's very risky right now, catching a falling knife, but yeah, ACB is going up. Let's see how ACB is doing. ACB is down 0.25%. So oh no, this didn't reload. How come this? Oh no, yes, you're right. ACB is now in the green, so it's looking good. ACB started when I started on my live stream. Oh no, now it's down in the red. Spoke too soon. But when I started my live stream, ACB was down 1%, and now they're in the green. It looks like they're going up in the green. Now they're up 0.12%. So they started off red, ending the pre-market green. Hopefully it continues on throughout the day, but nothing is guaranteed yet. Let's see how Tilray. I don't know why it's not telling me how Tilray is doing. 3 minutes to the market's open. SHMP, BCCI. Honestly, let's see if I have time to look at both those companies, because I like both those companies. Barista Coffee, this company's got beat up in the past. How long? But I feel like this company just moves on news, because it had this spike because of the NFL, and then it had a second spike because of some NBA advertisement, and now I think after that they were doing some NASCAR, some advertisement with NASCAR. So this company is definitely getting a lot of publicity. See, yeah, Barista kicks off in NASCAR ads. But they just pretty much have to keep making news. The BEV Industry News published feature article. So yeah, this company just has hype when it's being publicized. So right now it does look like a fairly decent price to start at. It's very volatile. We've seen this company go up like over 100 or 200% in a day or two. So it's a very high risk, high reward play, especially at 3 cents right now. I do think it's a lot. It's an attractive company right now, but on paper there's no financials, so I can't really tell you much about it. Just that a hype will move this company. If you see another commercial on this company, I won't be surprised to see this company on the NHL, this and that. They seem to be getting publicized, which seems to be moving the stock. And then let's look at one more company. It's 9:29. There's the bell. 1 more minute till the market's open, guys. Hopefully we have a green day. Right now it's looking like Aurora. Let's take a look at Aurora real quick, if this thing loads. If not, what was the other company I wanted to look at? I am playing it sandwich. I'm holding Namaste long. If it tanks, I'm averaging super low. Yeah, I like Namaste. Neo getting another ass whooping. Yes, Neo is looking is not looking good right now. But before this pre-market ends, guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. 90 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Almost at 100. So whoever gave me a thumbs up, Pura. Hopefully Pura continues to push over. I want to see Pura go up at least 60 cents. Thank you, Spartacus. Markets are going to open soon. Let's take a look at Pura. Pura has been super volatile. We've seen them have huge spikes and then quickly decline just as fast as they had those spikes. Right now, Pura went up 11% yesterday. I think they've went up as high as 14%. I mean 14 cents. Yeah, see, the other day they were up at almost 15 cents. It's been super volatile. Hopefully, it looks like the past week they've had some nice runs. So hopefully they continue to beat that, to go past 15 cents. It's looking good for Pura right now. They do seem to have volume. So let's see. Right now, nothing on Pura. I can't really look at them on paper. So the markets are open, guys. Let's just see how Aurora is doing in the market opening. I'm also going to take a look at my portfolio, see how these companies are doing. Aurora Cannabis. Damn it. I got to type in all my bank information. You know what? I won't be able to do it. So yeah, it's looking, I don't know. Aurora Cannabis, I don't know why it's not loading. Let's see how Aurora Cannabis is doing in the market opening, unless you guys could tell me. I keep forgetting to turn off my computer overnight. And then, so yeah, Aurora Cannabis is flat, trading flat right now in the morning, up 0%. So it's better than being down. We're going to see how they do. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this live stream, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Sorry if I missed your request. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll most likely be posting another video. I could probably do a couple more requests. ACB looks to be in the green, eh? Oh yeah, ACB is now up 2 cents in during the market opening. So it's looking good. Hopefully it continues to push forward. Aurora had a very nice day yesterday. I also have a feeling Tilray is gonna have a good day. DG serious. Oh yeah. So nah, they kept so many people have joined. You can't get to EYC. Okay, yeah. Let's take a look at EYC real quick. I always try to do my members requests. So let's look at EYC. iCarrot Innovation Corp. So what? Well, that's a weird name. iCarrot Innovation Corp. So this is an advanced medical equipment and technology company. Technical analysis looks like a sell right now. Yeah, sell, and a strong sell. The 1 minute is a buy. So they're currently let's see how they're doing. That's from yesterday. They were down 9.5%. So on paper, the price to revenue looks okay, 35. Price to book is a 10. Price to sales a little high, 188 million. Total assets 3.93 million. Market cap is 14 million. Total outstanding shares 120 million. This company doesn't look that great on paper, plus it's a penny stock, but it does seem to be in the bottom of its 52-week range. I would say this is a very risky company, especially because it doesn't look that great on paper. It does have a small cap. It has a fairly small amount of share dilution. So I just don't like its price to sales at 188. Price to sales at 188 looks a little too high for me. But it definitely looks like it is near the bottom of its 52-week range. This company could make a push forward, but on paper it doesn't look that great. It's another one of those high risk, high reward companies. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, we got a new member. Who's our new member? Thank you for joining, Bart. Yes, I'm always happy to see new members. I think I have 5 new members in on Kieran. Green start. Let's see how Kieran's doing today. And welcome to the membership group. As when you're a member, I'm gonna be doing videos. So if you guys, all the members, if you guys ever want me to do a video on a specific company, you guys can request them on the comment section on any of my videos. You guys could request them on the live stream. So So when you're a member, you get to request your own company, whatever you want, and I'll try to do a video on them as good as I can. I'll do as much research as I can on these videos, and also during live streams when you have requests on companies, I'll always look at your companies first. So yeah, thanks for joining, Bart. Let's look at Kieran real quick. So Kieran Life Sciences. Kieran is currently no, that's yesterday's charts, so no movements on this chart for some reason. I might have to look at them on Yahoo, but hopefully Kieran, I'm gonna look at them right here. Let's see. I don't know why my Yahoo is taking so long to load. I think it's because I left my computer on. I'm gonna have to refresh my computer, but I'm hoping Kieran has a very good day today. They've had a nice day yesterday. Yes, take advantage of those emojis, I guess. Yes, guys, hit the join button. It'll be nice to see more people join my membership group. I think I have 5 people joined already, so the more the merrier. Let's try to get that community big, and then eventually, once I have like at least 10 members, I'll be doing live streams specifically for members. That way, do a video on GLDLF. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna write that down, and I'm definitely gonna do a video on that. So yeah, if any of my members ever have a request on what videos, GLDLF, I'm gonna have like a specific thing on my phone where it's just member requests, and when I have time, I'll definitely be doing videos. I'll try to find out as much information on these companies. So yeah, welcome, Bart. Yes, it's nice to see new members. How do you become a member? There's a join button. If you go on my home page, there's a join button. All you do is press the join button. So if you're using a phone, all you got to do is exit the chat room, and then when you look at it, it should be right there. It should be a join button right there. So it's that simple. I think you just, or even just go to my homepage. Just go to invest to my homepage, and then there should be a join button at the top right corner. Like, let's see if I can find it right here. My computer's being a little slow though, especially because I left it on all night, and plus my computer sucks. Do you think it'll climb? I'm gonna check out your page, DG. I'm pretty sure maybe I'm subscribed to you, but I like to subscribe to all the investing communities. I feel like we all have something to offer, and we can all learn from each other. I definitely don't think I know everything that I need to know about investing. Everyone has a different strategy. Everyone has a different point of view. So yeah, it's I'm gonna shout you out right now. You guys should check out DG Stocks. Everyone seems to know him, so he must have a pretty good channel. Okay, we'll take a look at Mito. I'm gonna stay a little bit late today, but I am gonna have to check my my account real quick. I have to type in my bank information. For some reason it got deleted. Just give me 1 second, guys. What is it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to walk you soon. So yeah, Mito stock. Let's see how they're doing right now. Mito seems to be doing very well. 8.39% on the day. Mito stock is on fire. Technical analysis is a neutral. Market cap, this is one of those companies where there's no valuations. It's blank, so I can't really tell you much about it. This looks like a fairly new IPO. It's a very new IPO, so there's not much I could tell you except for this company is on fire right now, and it has a huge gap. It went all the way down from $12 to $15.80. At this point, momentum could push it forward. Are you going to chase the stock, or are you going to risk that this gap is going to be filled? So that's tough to say. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna sign on to my bank. So I'll try not to forget GLDLF. I'm gonna do that. New biotechnology. I have 11 watch lists and 5 to 18 stocks in each. My watch list is huge right now, mostly because you guys have done a lot of requests. Time to go, everyone. Have a great day. All right, I'll tell you. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting off soon as well. I'm gonna do new biotechnology, and then my dog does have to be walked. Thank you to the new member for joining. And also don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, guys. I can't seem to find them. New biotechnology. Maybe I don't see them unless you give me a ticker symbol, or maybe I'm just confused. That wasn't even a request. Time to go. CMBG. I'm in at 1178. I love biotech. Gotta love biotech. I think the future right now, what's going to be very important, what's going to be huge in the future is going to be AI. I actually have a video coming out on AI. I'm trying to work really hard on it. It's going to be one of those high quality videos with lots of cool effects and lots of information. So I have a video coming out on AI, because I think AI is going to be huge in the future. Even billionaires like Mark Cuban say that the next trillionaire will be an AI trillionaire. So the AI industry is something to really look into. If you guys know some really good AI companies, then let me know, because I think that's something that I really want to start looking into. Anyways, guys, I do have to walk my no, Mito. Okay, I did look at Mito. This is a fresh IPO then. This is a good company to keep an eye on, especially if it is, let's see, is it Stealth Biotherapeutics Corp. That's Mito. I'll definitely be keeping an eye out on this company, especially since it is a new IPO. But yeah, anyways, my dog does need to be walked. Thank you to the new members. Thank you for joining, Bart. I'll definitely be doing some requests, and to all the other members, if you guys have videos that you want to request, don't forget to request them. You could comment them on any video wherever you want, and when I have time, I'll be doing them. So have a good day, guys. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll most likely be posting a video up today as well. And that's it for now, guys. Bye bye.